From the National Weather Service chat session, a tornado warning continues for
shit is crazy.
until 7:15. After 7 o'clock, a severe storm. We're located at
Just told me to get down.
It can mean that you subject yourself to much stronger winds. You want to be down as low as you can here with the very heavy winds now, with the severe line of storms blowing right into downtown Dallas. As we continue to take this vantage point here, I want to read you the very latest from the chat session here. Local storm report in Joshua, that's in Johnson County. The trained storm spotter there reporting wind gusts of 70 miles an hour. He's reporting widespread tree damage and damage to carports as well. A report of golf ball sized hail in Waxahachie, that was at 7:04. And that was near, I believe, Westmoreland and Mulkey there. We've got several warnings, actually a couple of warnings in effect right now.
Good times.
Dallas County and Ellis County, you are both under severe thunderstorm warnings, but there's a small portion of Ellis County, including the Waxahachie area, that is under a tornado warning. And the reason for that is along the way to the severe storm line. It's just winds of 55 to 60 miles per hour. And when they're moving that fast, that upper momentum gets transferred down to the
You can barely even see the Pegasus anymore.
These high-rise apartment buildings, again, get down to the lowest floor in the interior stairwell here. We're not under a tornado warning in Dallas County, but we are under a severe thunderstorm warning for winds that could gust over 70 miles an hour. And of course, that's at ground level. If you're up higher than that in some of these high-rise buildings, you could be subject to even stronger winds. Latest report here from the chat session, amateur radio reports thunderstorm wind damage, residential roof damage, and tree branches down near New York and Arbrook in Arlington. So that's roof damage now from that line of storms as it rolled through Arlington.